I have something to show you, because tonight is about understanding self and being open to criticism. Is criticism a bad thing or is it a good thing? Is criticism a bad thing or it is a good thing? Can it make you feel as if... Let me look for it. Yes. Why should we accept criticism? Is it a bad thing? Is it a good thing? Can criticism from the person saying it be something that we consider hate? Also, as people, we should understand our place and always be prepared. Having said that, I want you to listen to something. Listen to this.
Saying men should be dangerous.
No, you should be capable of it, but that doesn't mean you should use it. If you're incapable of violence, not being violent isn't a virtue. I'm harmless, therefore I'm good. It's like, no, if you're not a formidable force, there's no morality in your self-control. People who teach martial arts know this full well, right? If you learn a martial art, you learn to be dangerous, but simultaneously you learn to control it. And the combination of that capacity for danger and the capacity for control is what brings about the virtue. If you're harmless, you're just weak. And if you're weak, you're not going to be good, because it takes strength to be good.
It takes strength to be good. To be a good person, it takes strength. But never underestimate, never, ever think that because you feel somebody is weak, that they're not capable. Let me play it again.
Saying men should be dangerous.
No, you should be capable of it, but that doesn't mean you should use it. If you're incapable of violence, not being violent isn't a virtue. I'm harmless, therefore I'm good. It's like, no, if you're not a formidable force, there's no morality in your self-control. People who teach martial arts know this full well, right? If you learn a martial art, you learn to be dangerous, but simultaneously you learn to control it. And the combination of that capacity for danger and the capacity for control is what brings about the virtue. If you're harmless, you're just weak. And if you're weak, you're not going to be good, because it takes strength to be good.
It takes strength to be good. It takes strength to be good. Because it is so easy to descend into being an awful person. I think being bad is easier than being good. I think being bad is easier than being good. I mean, people have them reasons why they're bad enough. And that is why most of the times, you see, in this life, many people we even know, we see them flourishing. And the perception that we have is that they're not really nice people. And then you hear the next part of it to say, many people who are successful aren't really nice people. But that is where purpose comes in. That is where your purpose comes in. So think on it this way. Whenever something happens, bad or good to you, how you react determines who you are. How you react is absolutely important. How you react. So sometimes whenever there are people around you who they will say things to you, and because you hold a different view, it is you can consider it an attack on you as a person. But I promise you, most of the time, if you remove self, it is not an attack. If you remove self, it is not an attack. Because everybody, I heard this one time and I can never forget it. Even the madman has something to say. You just have to listen to him. Because I can promise you, I can promise you, Jamaica. I can promise you. All of us will become a memory. We all will become a memory. The magnitude of the memory and the kind of memory we will be depends on who we are now. It will depend on who we are now. So we're not gonna follow nothing. We're not follow no, what you call it? Does not feed into this notion that criticism is a bad thing. Because it's not. This is how you get better. Criticism is not a bad thing. Even if it comes from people who you think don't mean you well, it's not a bad thing. Last night we go sleep, no light. Tonight, this morning we wake up, no light same way. But when we do get back light, what did we hear? Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you, what we heard. Let me show it to you. I found it. Let me show it to you. Because I can tell you, you see these people? You see these people, Jamaica? Them can't tame. So you not play with puppy for them lick your nose, here? You not do that. Look at this. Look at this, Jamaica. Look at this. Look at this. Respect Marvin Liquor Fire. Respect. Look at this, Jamaica. Danville Walker to serve as Petrojam head. Danville Walker to serve as Petrojam head. What is really going on? And who tell them that this is even true? Let us assume that it is true. What a pick. What a pick. What a pick for the new head of Petrojam. What is his history? Let me show you something. Deep divers, even though it's Saturday vibes, let me show you something. Let me show you something.
The future is the Labour Party, the future is Rhoda Crawford. And Rhoda understands what to do. Organize, organize, organize.
The man said the future is Labour Party. The new Petrojam head said the future is Labour Party. The new Petrojam head said the future is Labour Party. What is this? No job. The new Petrojam head says that the future is Labour Party, but he not done this so. He not done this so. Did you know that this man has a company? This man has a company, Jamaica. You know what kind of company it is? You know what kind of company it is? Let me show it to you. Because we always dive deep, you know. We're always diving deep. So let me show you what the company. Let me show you the company you have. You want me to make it a little bigger? Let me make it a little bigger for you. What that say? West Indies Petroleum. This company has been in operation for over 10 years. West Indies Petroleum. So him have him own oil company. I don't know where him sell. I will do the deeper research. I will do the deep dive. But I don't know where him sell Jamaica. I don't know what him sell. But I can tell you that the new head of Petrojam also has a Petrojam-like company. The new head of Petrojam also has a Petrojam-like company. Yeah, me know that he was a part of the ECJ at one point, and the media have it to say he revolutionized Jamaica's voting system. We not even gonna go there. So we are talking about the new Petrojam head having a company. That not feel like a conflict of interest? Does that not feel as if it is a conflict of interest? And I say, you know, so me tired. me too. All, we just wake up, tired. We just get up tired. No, sir. We just get up tired. Can you imagine? That's what I'm saying of all persons. Danville Walker. So now, let me play it again. It's not like him is a covert labor right, you know. Look at this.
The future is Rhoda Crawford. And Rhoda understands what to do.
The future is the Labour Party. The future of Petrojam is the Labour Party. The future of Petrojam is the Labour. Let me play it again, because I know me say so. Him said the future is Labour Party, and he is the future of Petrojam. It goes to say the future of Petrojam is the Labour Party. Let me play it again.
The future is the Labour Party. The future is Rhoda Crawford. And Rhoda understands what to do. Organize.
So obviously in 2020, he was a part of Rhoda Crawford's team. But focus on the first part of the thing when say. He said the future of Jamaica is the Labour Party. Who will serve in the future, in the near future, as Petrojam head? Let me show you, because let me show you again. See there? Boy, me I tell you, no, I understand why. But then, let us tie it to something. Let us listen to this and tie it to something. Listen to this.
Hugh Grant, President and CEO of JPS. I wanted to give the nation and our customers a quick update of the island-wide electric grid shutdown that was experienced at 9:02 p.m. last night. What we do know as of this time is that during this incident, there was significant lightning activity in the corporate area, particularly in the vicinity of some of our major generating stations, our major transmission facilities, and our major substations, one of which I'm at 3 a.m. in the morning. As of now, we have made progress in the restoration of the island, whereby we have restored several parishes in the western part of the island, parishes such as Hanover, Westmoreland, St. James, and Trelawney have been substantially restored. We have restored some customers in the central parishes such as St. Catherine and Clarendon, and we have also restored customers on the eastern side of the island in the parish of Kingston and St. Andrew. We regret any inconvenience caused to our customers at this time and want to thank you for your patience and understanding. We are committed to getting to the bottom of what transpired and will keep you updated. Be safe and be well, and thanks again for your patience and understanding as we work tirelessly to safely restore customers as quickly as possible. Thank you.
And this government to get anything right, not even the internet. Anyhow, let us go back to Saturday Night Vibes. Saturday Vibes Live. Saturday Vibes Live. Let us go back to that. Let me play back the thing again that I played earlier. Let me play back the thing that I played earlier because this is very important, you know. I wanted to touch on the Danville Walker issue because it's hot, plus it is connected to the widespread blackout last night. Made it have to touch it, people. Made it have to touch it. So, just bear with me. We had to speak a little about what happened in relation to the blackout. And you have a whole heap of people that say conspiracy theories and stuff like that, you know.